Take for example, Mama Sapano. Okay. Mama Sapano incident, yung board of inquiry. Many people are saying also that that's not a smart decision to take the position. Why? Because they thought they can corrupt Magalong. They thought they can corrupt Mayor Magalong. But they were not able to. Ito ulit ang attempt nila dito. If we cannot corrupt him, at least cripple him. But they cannot do it. That's why, inisupuera siya. Knowing what happened to Torres, Torres is a different animal. Totally different from Mayor Magalong. Tandaan nyo si Torres when he operated, he was fully funded. He was given an eroplano. He has men. Binigyan siya ng tao. Lahat meron siya. Mayor Magalong, when he operated with the ICI, lahat wala siya. People who are working there are volunteers. I myself, we are volunteers. Why he didn't anticipate that it might happen to him? Yun kasi ang gusto niyong gawin yung wala na lang di ba? Dito na lang tayo, ay matakot tayo lumaban kasi matatalo lang tayo. My gosh. Yan yung mga ayaw nating mentalidad. Bakit ayaw mong ilagay yung best soldier mo dun sa gera? Para siya yung lumaban. It's like playing chess. Not all attacks are successful, but you don't stop. That was an opportunity. The ICI was an opportunity. Pero sobrang garapalan tong Malacanang na ito. Yan lang ang obvious dito. That's why I told you mga kamats natin, if you can share this, please share this. The people should know. If you can talk about what happened here, talk about it. The people should know. Malaki ang pondo ng mga tao para manira at magpropaganda tungkol sa nangyari. And like I told you, they will give more responsibility to the ICI now. Why? Because Magalong is not there anymore. Magalong is not there anymore. Imbestiga na kunwari yan. Trabaho na kunwari yan. I disagree na he didn't anticipate. It's also within his expectation. However, he gave it a chance and made it work. He made it work. Napagaanan niya. Sabihin ko nga sa'yo, how will you do stuff all over the Philippines without staff, without funds, without structure? How do you do it? You can't, right? Boboto-boto kayo, tapos mamaya wala kayong kasalanan kasi ninakaw yung pera nyo.